Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar this morning. We are so excited to host OptCulture today. OptCulture is a one-stop solution for retailers to engage with customers and build effective marketing campaigns and loyalty programs that thrive on data-driven insights. Today, we have Benjamin Gott, Director of Operations for North America OptCulture, here with us. Benji, please take it from here.
Oh, thank you so much for the kind introduction, and thank you all today for joining today's webinar. OptCulture is very excited to showcase our 3.0 user interface, integration to Shopify, and demonstrate our web and mobile application capabilities. So our goal here at OptCulture was to put all the tools that a business needs to successfully market to and engage customers in one easy-to-use platform. Loyalty programs are a big part of what we do here at OptCulture. Customers appreciate getting something in return for their purchases, and by knowing what these customers are buying and when, companies can incentivize repeat purchases at an increased frequency. Omnichannel solutions give retailers the opportunity to engage their customers seamlessly across all channels, including in-store, through mobile devices, and online. Our integration and official partnership with Retail Pro means our POS integration is seamless and very easy for associates to use. Customer-facing kiosks or tablets can be used to register customers for loyalty programs or collect marketing information. Web-based or mobile-based applications can also be created with OptCulture, allowing your customers to see their loyalty progress as well as any past purchases or offers that they may have in their account. A QR code that directs them to download the mobile app or takes them straight to the web application makes this process seamless and quick. Two big benefits of having customer-facing registration portals are the elimination of errors or mistakes in spellings common with associates entering information, and then also decreased risk of identity theft as customers are not saying private information out loud in public. Our email, SMS, and WhatsApp campaign tools allow for communication about loyalty or upcoming events no matter what route the customer prefers. And integration to your e-commerce platform allows for customers to earn and redeem rewards online or in-store, keeping customers happy regardless of where they choose to shop. At OptCulture, we are a well-integrated solution that allows businesses to use all of the valuable data that's being collected through the POS system. This starts with customer data, allowing businesses to group customers based on purchase and interaction behavior or demographics. And through our use of multi-channel campaigns, these customers can be targeted in a way that makes sense to them. Our platform also provides all the tools to run custom promotions and loyalty programs. Customers are incentivized to spend more, visit more frequently, and are much more likely to develop brand loyalty if they are receiving offers from businesses for products that they are interested in. When it comes to customer experience, e-receipts from OptCulture are a great way to get back in front of the customer after a purchase, and OptCulture can also even provide gift cards now. The following are some of the businesses that we work with all across the globe. OptCulture is an international partner for Retail Pro, and we work closely with partners from around the world to provide our customers with the best solutions, tools, and support in the industry today. So why OptCulture? Well, our mission at OptCulture is simple. We want to be the partner of choice for businesses to engage customers across all channels of communication in order to drive repeat business. Build long-term relationships with OptCulture loyalty. Customers who trust a brand are 88% more likely to purchase from that brand again. With OptCulture loyalty programs, customers can easily opt in, they can manage their own information, refer friends and family, as well as purchase gift cards. And OptCulture loyalty programs can even help manage employee discount programs. Successful loyalty programs need to provide customers with constant communication. These customers need to know when they have earned rewards, what rewards they have available, and when those rewards are expiring. OptCulture loyalty programs come with a whole host of automated communications, providing customers with up-to-date information about their reward status, as well as product recommendations and even balances on e-receipts. Another key feature of the OptCulture loyalty programs is that they are dynamic. So as your business grows and needs change, so can your loyalty program. You can define specific rules for privilege tiers that encourage customers to spend more, and you can even set limits and exclusions on certain products like alterations or rentals. Segmentation is a key feature of customer engagement that every business should be using. Retail customers are receiving more and more marketing material and interacting less and less with each campaign. Data and purchasing patterns reveal that customers are much more likely to interact with marketing material that is relevant to them, whether that is brands they have purchased in the past, styles that are similar, or even sizes. If an offer is presented for an item that a customer likes, they have a much higher probability of making a purchase. Segmentation can also be applied to customer demographics as well as their interaction attributes with past campaigns. So, when combined with campaigns and automation, segmentation is a great way to incentivize repeat purchases. Not only is segmentation a process that every business should be participating in, but e receipts are a service that every business should be providing as well. Receipts are designed specifically for each brand or business, and each location can send a unique receipt through OptCulture. E-receipts are a type of transactional email which have much higher average open rates than marketing emails. So every business should be taking advantage of this opportunity to get right back in front of a customer after a purchase. Upcoming events, sales, similar products, social media accounts, e-commerce links, reviews, all can be provided on e-receipts and clicked through by the customers. E-receipts are also not as likely to be disposed of or lost as paper receipts are, and customers can refer back to their e-receipts to see what they purchased or when they purchased it, as if it's a product they need to restock on. E-receipts also have a barcode display that when scanned refers back to the original purchase document within the point of sale. Save your business the cost of receipt paper and provide the customer with a more convenient experience as well as a follow-up method to market new goods or upcoming events. The OptCulture platform allows for retailers to create customer-specific discounts or discounts based on dates and interactions. Obviously, the most popular type of discount is a reward for a customer's birthday. This can be sent in a text or an email, and the next time the customer visits the store, the discount will be available for use in the rewards dialog box as long as it's not expired. Another simple example is an overstock inventory discount. Let's say that a shoe retailer has an abundance of size 12 men's shoes. With OptCulture, that business can create a discount for that item, segment out customers who've purchased that size in the past, and then reach out via email or text with an exclusive offer. The customer feels appreciated for receiving a discount for an item that they've expressed interest in, and the retailer is able to turn that inventory faster. Discounts can also be redeemed on e-commerce store, truly making our loyalty and discount experience full circle. You can also create fun discounts with gamification with OptCulture, and this keeps customers engaged at a higher frequency with daily rewards and giveaways available. So that concludes the slideshow portion. Let's pause sharing for a moment, and I'm going to demonstrate our omni-channel capabilities within OptCulture. One moment, please. All right. So what you're seeing now is an example of the OptCulture web application. Customers could register through the web application without ever making a purchase, and they'll be available either for a purchase, their profile will be available for a purchase either online or in store their next visit. So let's just demonstrate this capability really quick. We can have custom fields for birthday or anniversary. Pet stores have asked for pet birthdays as well as gotcha days. We can do stuff like that. So by visiting my inbox, I can now get that verification code. The verification code could also be sent through a mobile phone number if the business chooses to do that. Right, so logging in, I can see my profile. If a business wanted to incentivize customers to sign up for the loyalty program, they could offer a bonus upon enrollment, such as either a points bonus or a currency bonus. Customers can edit their profile information. They can check in at the store with their membership number, see any offers that are available to them. And then if you have multiple locations, those stores can be displayed within the web application so that they can get directions to the store nearest them. Let's go into Retail Pro Prism now and take a look at this customer making a purchase. It's going to add an item to the receipt now. Clicking tender transaction or any of the quick tender buttons brings up the OptCulture CRM. This allows me to either search for a customer by phone number, email address, or name. Clicking search customer searches the Retail Pro customer database and also the OptCulture Cloud database. So here I see that customer. Clicking select adds them to the receipt and also adds them to the Retail Pro database. Another click of tender transaction brings up the rewards dialog box. So if this customer had any loyalty available, it would be redeemable through this window. And if they had multiple discounts or discounts available, they're redeemable through this window. Let's go ahead and redeem a small discount that I have available for 10% on the receipt. That's been applied. Now I'm just going to move forward, take cash. Clicking print update allows me to send an e-receipt, print and send an e-receipt, print only or update customer information only. I'm going to go ahead and send an e-receipt to this customer. Finally, let's take a look at the OptCulture user interface and the customer screen. Let me pause sharing for one moment. Taking a look at the new OptCulture 3.0 user interface, I can click on the customers button and it'll bring up customers that have been created within OptCulture. Here I see the customer that I just created, and taking a look at the profile, we've got some different screens here, such as the average order value, maximum order value, NPS rating, which can be displayed on an electronic receipt for a customer to leave a review. I can edit any of the customer details, as well as edit any loyalty information. I can see past purchases. Clicking on View Purchase gives me all of the information that's available on an electronic receipt or printed receipt, such as item price, quantity, barcode for that particular item, if there were any discounts applied, and that information is all available to me. And then down here, I also have the ability to see coupons that have been applied by the customer, coupons that are active within their account, and I can even issue customers a quick discount from this screen as well. Finally, let's make a purchase within Shopify using this customer information. Let me pause sharing one more time. Okay, so finally, I'd like to demonstrate a customer making a first-time purchase online and then a follow-up purchase in store. So a customer who's being created within OptCulture. Within Shopify, you'll add their information on this screen. Finally, we'll add a phone number. Create this customer. Add an item to the cart. Let's add a couple items. Okay, so the loyalty widget can explain the programs, the rules of the program, and customers can join the loyalty program through the sign up screen. In this case, we have all customers joining the loyalty program just because it's easier to demonstrate. So here I can see any promotional offers or redeemable balances that this customer has. And from the cart screen, I can apply them. So here I have the ability to apply that discount or loyalty. And then let's go to checkout and finalize this purchase. So here I can see the details of my transaction, including the subtotal, the OptCulture discount being applied, and the total of my purchase. I can also enter some quick information here for my address. And I'll finalize this purchase by entering a card number. All right. So a quick look within the OptCulture platform, and I can see that this customer has been created. And now I'll go and pretend like we're making a purchase in store. Let me add an item to the receipt here. Clicking tender transaction or any of the quick tender buttons brings up our CRM screen. Entering this customer's email address and clicking search customer allows me to find that customer within the OptCulture cloud. Clicking select adds them to the Retail Pro database. Again, a click of any of the quick tender buttons or the tender transaction buttons brings up the screen and shows me what my available balances are, as well as any promotions that I have available. We'll finalize this purchase. Clicking print update again finalizes the transaction, allows me to send an electronic receipt. So you can see that OptCulture truly is a full circle omni-channel solution, and customers that make their first time purchases in store or register through a web application or mobile application can be found within Retail Pro for a first time purchase. Loyalty programs can be customized to incentivize customers to enroll through enrollment bonuses, and all of this is happening real time, and you can see it all in the OptCulture user interface, including the details of each purchase. So with that, that concludes our presentation about OptCulture, and we'll open up the floor to any questions that you guys may have. Thank you very much.
I'll hop into some questions. The first one, can custom fields be added based on the information that we would like to collect, such as how did you hear about us?
Absolutely, and that's a very common request received with OptCulture because Retail Pro has so many customizations available. Our customer success management team works very closely with each business to make sure that fields that they are using are mapped and usable for segmentation purposes within OptCulture on the day that they go live. So yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. Does the user face work on mobile devices and tablets?
Great question. OptCulture 2.0 did not work on mobile devices and tablets, but our new 3.0 user interface is mobile friendly and can be used on mobile devices, phones, or tablets. Yep, great question.
Perfect. The last question that I see, does OptCulture work on other Retail Pro versions?
OptCulture does work on other Retail Pro versions. I will say Prism has the most features available currently. We do support our version 9 and version 8 uh, OptCulture integrations, but new developments will be happening with Prism. So yeah, we do work with a few different versions, but all of the latest and greatest will be using the Prism point of sale system.
Amazing. Well, I don't see any other questions. So I thank you so much for presenting today. If any of you would like to schedule a personalized demo or learn more information, please reach out to us. In the meantime, thank you everyone for attending, and thanks Benji for presenting. I hope you all have a great day.
Thanks for having us. We appreciate it. Thank you, everyone.